Lesson 7-7 Practice Circles and Triangles. Question 1. Triangle ABC is shown with its incenter at point D. The inscribed circle's radius measures 2 units. The length of AB is 9 units. The length of BC is 10 units. The length of AC is 17 units. Part A, what is the area of triangle ACD? All right, ACD, its base is AC, so its area would be 1/2 times its base. AC is 17, right? 17 times its height. The height of that triangle is the radius, which is 2. So the area of triangle ACD is 17 square units. What is the area of triangle ABC? Well, ABC would be triangle ACD plus ABD plus BCD. So the area of triangle ABD would have a base of AB, which is 9. And it would also have a height of the radius, which is 2. Triangle BCD would have a base of triangle BC, which is 10, and its height would also be the radius. So 1/2 times its base, which is 10, times its height, which is also the radius. The area of the triangle would be these added together. So 10 plus 17 is 27, plus 9 is 36. The area of triangle ABC is 36 square units. Question 2. Triangle ABC is shown with an inscribed circle of radius 4 units, centered at point D. The inscribed circle is tangent to side AB at the point G. The length of AG is 6 units, and the length of BG is 8 units. What is the measure of angle A? To find the measure of angle A, we would create a segment AD, dividing it into 2 right triangles. Half of angle A would be the arctan, which would be opposite divided by adjacent. 4 divided by 6 is 2/3. And because there's 2 angles, that would be that, we would have to double it. So, double arctan of 2/3. Question 3. Triangle ABC is shown. Complete the statement to describe the construction. Diagram shows the construction of the blank circle for the triangle. So it is inscribed. It is inscribed. Question 4. This question has 2 parts. First answer part A, then answer part B. Point D lies on the angle bisector of angle ACB. Point E lies on the perpendicular bisector of side AB. Consider the distance between point D and the sides and vertices of triangle ABC. Select all true statements. Point D is the same distance from sides AC and BC. point D is closer to point A than it is point B. Consider the distance between point E and the sides and vertices of triangle ABC. Select all true statements. All right, point E, what are they asking first? Point E is the same distance from what points? Point E is the same distance from A and B. Point E is closer to what? Point E is closer to side BC. Point E is closer to side BC than it is to side AC. Question 5. Complete the description to explain the construction of the incenter of triangle ABC. Construct two blank bisectors. That would be angle bisectors. That's the two dotted lines. That bisects angle B, and this dotted line bisects angle C. Angle bisectors. The intersection of the angle bisectors is the incenter. The third angle bisector will intersect at the same place. Question 6. The angles of triangle ABC measure 30 degrees, 40 degrees, and 110 degrees. Complete the explanation of whether the circumcenter falls inside the triangle, on the triangle, or outside the triangle. The circumcenter will fall outside of the triangle, outside, because the triangle is obtuse. It has an angle measure that's greater than 90, which is 110. The triangle measure is obtuse. The inscribed angle theorem guarantees the obtuse angle will trace out more than half the circle. Question 7. The image shows two possible blueprints for a park. The park planners want to build a water fountain that is equidistant from each of the corners of the park. There's Park A and Park B. Complete the explanation about whether this is possible for either park. If there is a point that is the same distance from all four corners, then the quadrilateral must be cyclic, because a circle could be drawn within the distance as the radius, with that distance as the radius and the point as the center. This is only possible if opposite angles of the quadrilateral are supplementary. That means they add up to be 180, supplementary. This is true for park 133 plus 47 is 180, 105 plus 75 is 180. It's true for park B, but not park 100 plus 57 is not 180, not park A. Question 8. Triangle ABC has vertices at -8, 2, 2, 6, and 10, 2. What is the point of intersection of the triangle's medians? All right, the first point is left 8 up 2. Left 8 up 2. The second point is right 2 up 6. And the last point is right 10 up 2. Okay, I'm going to connect this angle to its midpoint, which I believe is right there. That's 1, 2. I think this one's midpoint is 6, 2. 6, 4. I'm at 6, 4. And this one looks like left 3, up 4. All right, you can see it's 4 thirds and what is that? 10 thirds? 4 thirds and 10 thirds?